Good morning to all. Last class we were discussed the chapter of the force. The explanation are completed. Only we have the left for the question answer. Today we are going to discuss for the question answer. Question number 1. Name the term used for the push or pull. Name the term used for the push or pull. The answer will be force. By the force way, by applying the force way, that object will be, we can apply the force push or pull. Question number 2. Give one example each of a forces: push, pull, stitch and sequence. These are the example of the force we can applied. Okay, what are the force we can applied? Push means open a door, we push it. Pull, to move a cross roll on a load in the pulled by applying in the cordon. Now stitching a rubber string, changing the shape of the spoke and sequence. Question number 3. Explain the meaning of term force. Explain the meaning of term force. The answer will be, force is a physical cases. Force is a physical cases by applying our hand. That's why they are saying the physical cases that change or may tend to change the state of the rest or the state of motion. It can change the state of rest or the state of motion of the object. The SI unit of force is the Newton. Okay, by applying the physical cases, by applying the physical force way, that object can change. It can change the state of rest, it can change the state of motion. Question number 4. What effect can a force have on the stationary body? Which effort we given, that stationary of the body can change. When a force is applied on the stationary body, it begin to move. When we are applying the one force, that object can begin, it is starting to move. Question number 5. What effects can a force have on a moving body? What effort can a force have on moving body? When a force is applied on a moving body, it can be made to stop or it can change the direction of motion. Depending on the applying force way, that object can change in the state of rest or that state of motion. Question number 6. What effort can the force producing on a body which is not allowed to move? What effort can a force produce on a body which is not allowed to move? Answer will be, when a force is applied on a body which is not free to move, it gets deformed. That's why the shape and the size of the body will be changed. Okay, for example, you can take the balloon. When we are filling in the air, the shape and size will be changed. Okay, that is the saying that when the force is applied on a body, okay, when we are filling in the air in the balloon which is not free to move, to get deformed, that's why the shape and size of the body can change. Question number 7. Give one example each to indicate that the application of a force. Okay, we want to give the example what kind of the force we can apply on it. Produce the motion. A car originally at the rest, when the bush are beginning to move. Okay, when we are applying one force way, the rest position way, the car it can change to motion. Stop motion. A moving bicycle is stopped by applying the brake. Okay, how to we can stop the vehicle? By applying in the brake. Slow down motion. The speed of a moving vehicle is slowed down by applying the brake. Here also we can apply in the brake way, that moving vehicle will be slowed down. Change the direction of motion. A player kick a moving football to change its direction of the motion. When they playing in the football time, that their ball will be passing one place to another place. That time the player will be kick a moving football, then it can change the direction of motion. Now fifth one, deform a body. A stretching rubber string length will be increasing, again it will be come to the remaining in the original position. Now the question number 8, state effect produced by a force in the following cases. What are the following cases we are applying the force? The sealing of a rubber capital is stitching, then the shape and size of the capital change, that's why length will be increasing. Second, a man push a heavy cart. A heavy cart being to move. When we are applying in the force, the pushing way, that object can move, rest to motion. Third one, player use his stick to default the ball. The direction of the ball can change. Cyclist applying the brake. The speed of the moving cycle is slowed down. Springing is compressed. There is change in the size and shape of spring. Now question number 9. Name the two kinds of a force in nature. Name two kinds of force in nature. We have the two force of in the nature. One will be the contact force, another one will be non-contact force. Contact force means the object will be contact with the physical touch. The object will be contact with the physical touch. Non-contact force means the earth attract our weight in the center of the gravity. The earth attracting our weight in the center of the gravity. Okay, these are the contact and non-contact force. Question number 10. Name the types of force which act in the following cases. Okay, what force of the cases in the following example will be happen? A coolie lift a luggage. There will be muscular force is there. When he is lifting in the luggage, there will be applying the muscular force. A bicycle comes to rest slowly when the cyclist stopped the pedal. The frictional force, the between of the road and cycle tire, the between of the friction way, it come to the slow down. A stone fall from a roof. There will be the gravitational force is there. Okay, when the stone will be falls from a roof, there will be applying one gravitational force. A comb rubbed with silk attract the pit of a paper. There will be electrostatic force will be there. There will be electrostatic force will be there. But this force is not permanent. It can not apply for the heavily object also. Now, stringing hangs with a load. The force of tension. The force of tension. Horse moving a cart. There are also muscular forces. There are also muscular forces there. A magnet attract on iron pin. There will be magnetic force. A boy open the door. Muscular force. An apple falling from a tree. Gravitational force. A man rows a boat. Muscular force. Now question number 11. What do you mean by the gravitational force? Give one example to illustrate it. Okay, we want what is definition we want to give. What is gravitational force? The force of attraction on the body of earth is called the gravitational force. Okay, our weight of the body will be attracting towards the gravitational force. Example, the leaves and fruits fall from a tree down towards the ground. Water is a river, follows down streams. A ball throw up goes to the height and then return back on the ground, or some example of the motion due to the gravitational force. The fruits fall down the earth when we are throwing against with the gravitational force, throwing the ball in the upward directions. These are the example of the gravitational force. It is non-contact force also. Now question number 12. Define the term weight of a body. Weight of the body. The weight of the body is the force with which is the earth attracted towards the center. It depending on the acceleration due to the gravity. Our weight of the body will be attracted to the gravitational force. The earth will be attracted towards the center of the gravity force. It depending on the acceleration due to the gravity. Question number 13. What do you understand by the term friction? We know the friction means opposed motion. It will be applying in the opposite direction. Force will be applied. The friction is that force which oppose the relative motion between the two surfaces that are the is contact with the each other, but there will be needed for the two surface, then only the friction will be possibility is there. Okay. Now the question number 14. Give an example to illustrate the extents of a force of frictions. If we stop pedaling our bicycle, it gradually slow down and ultimately it stop after traveling the certain distance. This is due to the frictional force between the bicycle and the ground. Okay, when we are applying the brake, okay, the cycle will be come to the slow after some distance, the between of the tire and the ground. Now the question number 15. What is case of friction? The case of friction is the interlocking of the irregular projection on the two surfaces in the contact. Okay, the friction of the body will be the two object, the two surface, it will be contact with each other. Okay, these are the questions we are discussing. Remaining question we will discuss for the next classes. Okay, what are the question are we are discussing the today classes? Go through for the book and revise it and mark it and note the question and answer in the notebook also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.